As you can see on the label, Negate is a Group 2 herbicide, which are ALS or AHAS inhibitors. Let me tell you about what else you need to know about Negate and what it can do for you. Let's start at the beginning. Negate is a unique combination of sulfonylurea chemistry. It is a superior broadleaf weed control herbicide combined with a superior annual grass herbicide. This is an excellent tool for control of ryegrass and poa annua to allow Bermuda grass to have non-restricted growth coming out of winter dormancy. Negate controls various other cool season grasses as well, and other tough-to-control broadleaf weeds such as clover, dandelion, henbit, and many more. Here is a list of controlled weeds, just to name a few. Don't worry if you didn't catch all that. We provide downloadable literature and product labels for every product on our website. Application sites include golf courses, sod farms, professionally managed college and professional sports fields, industrial and commercial lawns, and other similar non-residential areas. So let's recap. With Negate, you get a combination chemistry formulation which provides superior control at low rates compared to other leading products. It provides the broadest spectrum of control within the ALS inhibitor class of chemistry. It's labeled for use on a wide variety of warm season turf grasses with a low odor formulation that's excellent for commercial and public applications. An outstanding overseeded Bermuda grass transition and zoysia grass maintenance with a superior cost-effective performance. In fact, Negate can be used to selectively take Bahia grass out of Bermuda grass and provides 25% more broadleaf weed control. And last but not least, 1 bottle, 1 acre, cost-effective.